Hey guys, how are you all? Today we're gonna learn how to set up a fan. So before starting, first of all, you have to unpack the new fan. That's the new fan I bought today. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the string. Okay, here we go. We're going to unpack it. Here it is. It's called cup. Okay, this is the head of the fan. Okay, the nuts and the stand. Here it is. Here you see. Okay. Now the wings. There's the wings. There are the wings, and you can have different colors of the fan. This one is chocolate color because I have the same in my room. That's the second one. I'm gonna touch in my roof. Okay, here we go. So three wings, and the fan. Okay, I'm gonna install it, and you're gonna see it. Here is my old fan. I'm gonna take it off and gonna install the latest one I bought. You see it's not working. Turning the switch on, it's not working. You can see. Okay, now I'm gonna change it. Now you see the wires are detached from the main line. These are the fan lines. Now I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna loosen these nuts with my pliers, and I'm gonna take it down. You see the nut is coming off. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this one out and then take it down by my hand. Here you see detached. This one is the holding stand for sailing. You see. Okay, let me take it off. Okay, here. This is the rubber. This one keeps the fan. It doesn't swing and it doesn't make any kind of noise. Now in here we see two different kinds of nuts. This one is a shorter one, golden type, and one is taller one. So the shorter one will get attached with the here in the head, and the taller one, it will get into here to hold this one with the sealing rod. Now the two wires, just twist it, and now the cup, put to the cup. Here we go, and take this one as well, and it goes, you can see it this way. Okay, here. Here it is come this way. Now I'm gonna push this one. Okay, harder in here. Let's push it. Look, it's been pushed. Okay, there it is. And I'm gonna put this hole inside the hole. You can see it. You can see the hole, yeah. So through the hole I'm gonna put the nut, tightening the screw. Okay, here it's going. Well, it is in. Now the nut to lock it. Here it's going. Now I'm gonna fix this one with the rod to hold tightly the wings. Take these screws off. Washer, be careful. This way you have to take these two and this two, not this. Remember, two together, and these two together. Here is the wing. With this one, you have to attach like this. Okay, so I put this one in here. You see, and in here. Next one, the big one. Okay. Oh, they're tied up. Okay, here we go. This way you have to fix these two and these two. And finally you're gonna attach this rod with this one in here. And it is in, you see in here. Now the nuts. Tighten up this one with the pliers. We're almost done. Now attach the main wire of the electric line with these two fan line. Here with one and one another one. Just 1 minute. Here attached, you can see, and the next one as well in here. Now I'm gonna tap it, the Scotch tape. It is tapped. Well, you see? Okay. Now here we are ready to turn on the fan. Here it is. You see? Oh yeah. Wow, there it is. Full and final, no problem in there. No problem. Done. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Now before taking off the fan, I have to decharge the wire. You see, these are connected, so I have to detach all of it, and then I have to take off the nuts with the pliers. Okay, I've taken off the Scotch tapes. You see, now these are connected, so I'm gonna take off.